Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a brake light on a Hyundai Elantra GT. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and turned off. Gather your tools, which typically include a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother and quicker. Always prioritize safety before starting any automotive repair. Next, open your trunk to gain access to the taillight assembly from the inside. You might need to remove a small trim panel or two to expose the back of the light housing. Once visible, carefully unscrew the 2 or 3 retaining bolts or nuts that hold the entire taillight assembly in place. This allows you to gently pull the assembly away from the vehicle body. With the taillight assembly slightly pulled out, locate the brake light bulb socket. It's usually a distinct color or size. Twist the socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to release it from the housing. Gently pull the old bulb straight out from the socket. Insert the new bulb firmly into the socket, being careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Now, reinsert the bulb socket into the taillight housing and twist it clockwise to lock it in place. Carefully push the entire taillight assembly back into its position on the vehicle. Reinstall and tighten the retaining bolts or nuts you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your vehicle and have someone press the brake pedal to confirm the new brake light is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.